Hi, this is Wondershare FilmoraGo. We are here to help create your videos anywhere on the go. Today, we're going to merge two videos into one here in FilmoraGo. To merge two videos or multiple videos into one, first open the FilmoraGo app and start a new project. Now, go to the Video tab and select the videos you want to merge and press Next. Now you can see both the videos are imported in the timeline. Go to the end of the first video. Here you can add a transition between two videos by clicking on this. Then choose the transition of your choice, then FilmoraGo will automatically give you the preview. And through this slider on top, you can adjust the duration of transition. Once you're done, press OK and export the video. That's how you merge two or multiple videos into one. If you're an iOS user, you can do the same process on your iPhone. So this was it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, or stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.